forget to click the subscribe button.
While kids are busy studying online these days, and mothers might be thinking how to pamper these younger kids in the break. So here I am with the perfect, crispy, delicious snacks for the kids, sesame seeds biscuits. Namaste friends, I am your host Kavita. Today we are going to learn how to make crunchy, crispy and amazing sesame seeds biscuits. So let's see how to make this crunchy biscuits.
Let's see the ingredients. So in a bowl, I am taking 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. In that I am adding half cup of sugar. Remember, I am using normal sugar, granulated sugar. This is not powdered sugar. Now add sesame seeds. I am taking around 1/3 cup of sesame seeds or till. Mix properly all these 3 ingredients. You can also use spoon or spatula, but I am using hands. Anyways, I have to make dough. To this, add pinch of salt. And now I am adding clarified butter. I am using more than half cup of clarified butter. Mix properly this maida, sugar and sesame seeds. You have to mix until you can make a ball out of this dough. This is very important part of making of this sesame seeds biscuits. That means you have to add ghee or clarified butter till, see, I can make a ball out of this dough now without adding water. Till then you have to add the ghee. Now add water little by little and make a little hard dough. As you are adding ghee little by little, remember to add water little by little. Remember to add water little by little. Now my dough is almost complete. Remember to knead it for 5 minutes. You don't need to make it soft. It had to be little hard. Remember to mix properly again. Now take a small part of dough and mix it properly. Knead it for 2 to 3 minutes till it becomes soft. Don't knead more. Make a ball and add a little oil. And now using rolling pin, roll it out. It should be slightly thick than a paratha. That means it should be half centimeter thick. Roll it out properly from all sides. It doesn't require that you need to make a perfect circle, because anyways we are cutting it in a diamond shape. Now using butter knife, cut it in a diamond shape. You can see how I am cutting the biscuits. First cut horizontally and then you cut vertically in a slanting way. Then you can get a diamond shape biscuits. Watch this. Now I am getting a perfect diamond shape. The small portion, just take it out and knead again with the dough and make that to another biscuits again. See, I am taking out the small portions. See, this is a diamond shaped biscuits, perfect biscuits, as you can see. Spread that biscuit in a plate. Don't keep it on top of it, otherwise it will stick together. And make the biscuits with the other dough also like this. Now in a pan of hot oil, drop these biscuits and fry them for 5 to 10 minutes till they turn golden brown. Remember to switch the sides. Now using karchi, remember to continuously stir and switch the sides and turn the biscuits backwards and again to the front, so that the biscuits will be fried properly from both the sides. Fry these biscuits in a high flame. It might take around 10 to 12 or 15 minutes. But you have to remember, you have to fry this biscuits till they turn golden brown, and you have to continuously switch the sides and continuously changing the biscuits from one side to another side so that they won't get burnt. See, the biscuits have already started turning golden brown. Now this is the time you have to be very quick, and remember that the biscuits are already done, and you have to take out them in a bowl with a tissue paper on it so that you can take out the excess oil. See how the biscuits are perfectly cooked, crispy, crunchy, sesame seeds biscuits, and these are ready to go into the younger one's mouth. Aren't they looking delicious and mouth-watering biscuits? Do you want to hear the crunch? So, you are ready to pamper your younger ones with this mouth-watering, amazing sesame seeds or til biscuits. These biscuits can also be made during festivals. I know you might be getting ready for Holi, the colorful festival. So this might be also a very good option.
I hope you like this video of making of sesame seeds biscuits. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Journey of Kitchen. You can also give the comments below. Thank you friends. Namaste.